What you all need to do is to start writing your thoughts in a diary. There is always a reason to smile. Each new day is a blank page in the diary of your life. Hey everyone, my name is Ambika and here I'm gonna talk about the importance of writing a diary. In this video, I'm telling you the 6 ways about the importance of writing a diary. That how it can improve your life, how it can add some value addition in your life, and how it can be so amazing thing in your life. So for that, what you need to do is, you need to watch my video till the end. Improve your writing. If you have ever wanted to practice or improve your writing, the best thing to do is to write. You don't need to have the perfect topic or a specific theme to write. You just need to start getting your ideas on paper. Then you will get to know that it is helping you to improve your writing. Inspire creativity. You know friends, everyone is creative. If you don't think you are, then maybe you haven't tried. So your diary is a place to write down anything that comes in your mind. The more you practice experimenting with opportunities and possibilities, the more inspiration you will find. And keeping a diary is a great way to help your creativity flourish. Reduce stress. It helps you to reduce your stress. When you are in anger, frustration, and you want to talk to someone right away, then a diary can be your best friend. Write down everything that makes you feel stressed and unhappy. After doing this, you will definitely feel happiness and you will find a better version of yourself. Allow yourself to self-reflect. Life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it. And right now, life schedule is becoming very hectic. We don't have time to know ourselves. We are just running out with this time flow. And we are not be aware that when responsibilities and expectations start to consume us. So I think diary writing is a way to take a step back from all of that and reflect on yourself. Achieve your goals. It is known that you are more likely to achieve your goals when if you write them down. So by keeping a diary, you can not only write down the list of ambitions, but also you can expand on them. You can monitor your progress and you can continue to motivate yourself by documenting new developments and achievements. Improve your memory. Now this is something very important. When you write down your thoughts and ideas, your brain is more likely to store that information. When you learn something new, a diary is a place to store the details. But as you recover those facts and write them down, your brain will make a strong connection with that information and you will have an easier time to recalling it. I'll show you my diary. So yes, here's my diary. I started writing when I was in 8th standard and this is my second one as I filled my first diary very soon. So I think diary writing is a way to be thankful for all we have. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye.